Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the muffler on your leaf blower, make sure the engine has cooled. Next, you should remove the wire and boot from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. Using a T20 Torx bit, unthread the 3 mounting screws to release the engine cover. Use a T25 Torx bit to unthread the 2 screws securing the muffler assembly. Detach the heat shield and the muffler cover. Install the new muffler by positioning the cover and the heat shield. Insert the exhaust tube into the blower housing as you align the assembly on the engine block. Thread the screws. Realign the engine cover and secure it with the screws. Reattach the wire and boot to the spark plug, and your leaf blower should be ready for use.